3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you.
We're singing.
Yay! Can you blow it out, baby? Go.
Let's not have her spit
Zoe,
on
go. Zoe, go.
Let's have someone who's not sick blow it
No,
on.
she's not gonna blow it out for real.
Zoe, it's your birthday. You want some cake? You want some cake? Try it. Oh no. Zoe, look. Zoe, baby, look. No. Just put some in her mouth. Here, baby. What is that?
Whatever, I like it.
They're good. Mmm. Grandma's pound cake. Is that Grandma's pound cake? Is that Grandma's pound cake? Birthday cake. Oh, don't throw it on the floor. Joey. Look. She found the sweet part. You don't always have to share with doggy. Kind of want to play with that more than the cake, huh?
I think she likes it.
Like Grandma's pound cake? Maybe Grandma has to know how to make pound cake.
And hell was star.
I forgot there were stars.
I figured out too. Until I was inhaling it. Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Just let the dog get it.
What was it?
Zoe.
Where's the dog? Is the dog down there?
Yeah, but made it. It just barely rolled onto the carpet.
Look at her face.
You're very neat, though, considering most people.